Are you suffering from a terrible mental malaise?
Do you feel like life has lost all meaning for you?
Do you struggle with everyday activities?
Maybe you've lost the will to live.
Well, try reading Archer and Trevva's Book of Ideas. A cure-all for, what ails you?
One day, Archer said, I think we should do a book. And then he suggested the title, Archer and Trevva's Book of Ideas. Yes, we just need the public to realise the importance of this book and to understand that every home should have one. And once they do, and once they sort of turn to any page and extract the kind of important information from it, this could save the human race, I feel. We need things. I mean, maybe this is not the only thing that can do that, but it's definitely up there with a list of things. We could well kind of steer things back in the right direction. Should we say how much it is? Oh, yeah, it could flash up on the screen.
Yeah, could flash maybe.
Yeah.
$29.99 or
Yeah.
something.